most thrilling and jaw-dropping places on Earth. Today, we're diving deep, literally, into the world's most dangerous pools. These aren't your average backyard swimming spots. Some are carved by nature, others perched at terrifying heights, but all of them share one thing: danger. We're talking hidden currents, sheer drops, and even boiling water. So buckle up, hold your breath, and get ready to explore these liquid death traps, if you dare. First up, we're headed to the edge of the world, Devil's Pool in Zambia. Picture this: the roar of Victoria Falls, the spray of water hitting your face, and you clinging to the edge of a rock, mere inches from a 355-foot drop. During the dry season, the flow of the Zambezi River slows just enough to create this natural infinity pool right on the precipice. But don't let the name fool you. The rocks are slippery, the current is always there, lurking beneath the surface, and one wrong move could send you plummeting into the abyss. This is nature's ultimate test of courage, a true daredevil's paradise. Whispers of those who lost their footing, who underestimated the power of the river, who were swept away in an instant. Still, every year, thrill-seekers from around the globe flock to Devil's Pool, drawn to the allure of staring death in the face and coming out alive. So, would you take the plunge? Would you tempt fate on the edge of the world's most magnificent waterfall? We journey deep into the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula. Hidden beneath the jungle floor lies Ixquil, a cenote steeped in ancient Mayan mystery. Its walls draped in lush vegetation, sunlight filtering through the opening above, illuminating the turquoise water below. But Ixquil has a dark side. This sacred cenote was once a site of ritual sacrifice. The Mayans believed it was a portal to the underworld. Today the water is no longer stained with blood, but the echoes of the past still linger. Swimmers report feeling a strange energy, a sense of being watched. Yet, despite the risks, Ixquil remains a popular tourist destination. So, if you're planning on taking a dip, be warned. Ixquil is not for the faint of heart. Our next stop takes us to the Hawaiian island of Kauai, home to the deceptively named Queen's Bath. This natural pool carved out of volcanic rock is a raw, untamed beauty. Picture this: turquoise water sparkling in the sunshine, surrounded by jagged black lava rocks. The Pacific Ocean crashing against the shore just feet away. But beneath the surface lies a hidden danger rogue waves. These monstrous walls of water can appear out of nowhere, surging over the rocks with enough force to sweep you off your feet. There are signs warning of the dangers, yet people still underestimate the power of nature. The Queen's Bath is a stark reminder that nature is a powerful force, not to be trifled with. So, if you find yourself on the shores of Kauai, remember, beauty can be deceiving. Now, we journey to the heart of Texas, to a deceptively serene-looking spring called Jacob's Well. Don't let the tranquil surface fool you. This is no ordinary swimming hole. It's a deep, dark abyss that has claimed the lives of many who dared to venture too deep. Imagine peering down into the crystal-clear water, the sunlight penetrating the depths, revealing a network of underwater caves and tunnels. It beckons adventurers, this watery labyrinth, promising hidden wonders and unseen beauty. But within those depths lies a deadly secret. Jacob's Well is a vertical shaft that plunges down over 100 feet, its limestone walls riddled with caves and narrow passages. Divers, enticed by the unknown, venture deeper and deeper, the sunlight fading above them, the water pressure increasing with every foot. The tunnels are narrow, the visibility poor, and disorientation is a constant threat. Imagine the panic setting in as you realize you're lost in the maze, your air supply dwindling, the darkness pressing in on all sides. Despite the dangers, experienced divers are drawn to the challenge of Jacob's Well, enticed by the mystery of its depths. They come seeking adventure, pushing their limits, testing their skills against nature's deadly puzzle. But Jacob's Well is a stark reminder that nature plays for keeps. Our journey takes us to the shores of Dahab, Egypt, where a sapphire jewel shimmers in the Red Sea, the Blue Hole. This breathtaking underwater sinkhole, a magnet for divers around the world, is as beautiful as it is deadly. Imagine descending into the azure depths, the sunlight filtering through the water, illuminating a vibrant coral reef teeming with marine life. It's a diver's paradise, until it's not. Because lurking within this underwater Eden is a treacherous passage known as the Arch. The Arch is a natural tunnel that cuts through the reef wall, connecting the Blue Hole to the open ocean at a depth of about 184 feet. Divers, tempted by the allure of the unknown, often push their limits to swim through this underwater gateway. But for many, it becomes a one-way ticket to oblivion. Nitrogen narcosis sets in, a feeling of euphoria, of invincibility, impairing judgment and clouding reason. Divers become disoriented, lose track of their depth, their air supply. Over 150 divers have lost their lives in the blue hole, earning it the grim nickname, Divers Cemetery. Even experienced divers approach the blue hole with caution, aware of the risks it holds. Our next destination takes us to the Caribbean island of Dominica, home to a place that's as terrifying as it is fascinating, the Boiling Lake. This is no relaxing hot spring, folks. This is a cauldron of Mother Nature's fury, a churning pool of scalding water and volcanic gases. Imagine a trek through dense rainforest, the air thick with humidity, the sound of exotic birds filling the air. Then you reach a clearing, and before you lies a scene straight out of Dante's Inferno, a lake shrouded in mist, its surface bubbling and churning, a constant plume of steam rising into the sky. The Boiling Lake is exactly what its name implies, a lake that literally boils. Heated by a magma chamber below the surface, the water temperature fluctuates between 180 and 197 degrees Fahrenheit. The air surrounding the lake is thick with the pungent odor of sulfur dioxide, a constant reminder of the volatile forces at work beneath the surface. The ground itself is unstable, prone to tremors and landslides. One wrong step could send you tumbling into the scalding depths. Drawn by curiosity, by the allure of witnessing nature's raw power, they push the limits, venturing too close to the edge. The Boiling Lake is a stark reminder that nature is both beautiful and deadly, a force to be respected, not challenged. We end our journey in the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Now everyone's heard of the Blue Lagoon, that luxurious geothermal spa, but Iceland is also home to countless hidden hot springs, some tucked away in remote corners of the island, untouched, pristine, and utterly deadly. Imagine this. You're trekking through the Icelandic highlands. The landscape a surreal mix of glaciers, volcanoes, and geothermal fields. Steam rises from the ground, painting the air with an ethereal mist. And there, nestled amongst the rocks, you spot it, a pool of steaming turquoise water. It's tempting, isn't it? The allure of a natural hot tub, the promise of warmth and relaxation in the midst of this rugged landscape. But what lies beneath the surface is often more treacherous than it appears. These hidden hot springs are often unregulated, their temperatures fluctuating wildly. What might seem like a pleasantly warm soak can quickly turn into a scalding nightmare. So, if you're venturing off the beaten path in Iceland, remember, beauty can be deceiving. So, would you dare to swim in any of these deadly pools? Remember, sometimes the most beautiful places are also the most dangerous. This was I Am Guide, bringing you the most thrilling and mysterious corners of the earth. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping journeys. And let us know, which of these pools gave you chills?